Hi, this is Max from Two Guys Kitchen, and the video that you're about to see is a little different from what we normally have. My wife Heidi and I went on vacation to Mount Dora in middle Florida a couple weeks ago, and we stayed at a great place called the Boathouse. And we decided just for fun to make a video, and we did. And in the video, we cook a pork tenderloin and we show you exactly how we did it. So I hope you'll enjoy it. We've already taken the silver skin off and we've even cut away some of the fat. So now we're ready to start with the actual rubs. But before we do the rub, we're going to put on a little bit of olive oil, which gives a nice flavor base, but it also gives something for the rub to hold on to. So now our rub is made up of paprika, garlic, onion, and we've got a touch of pepper and a touch of kosher salt. Generously spread it above. Get this guy all dressed up and ready to go for the grill. You have to do both sides, so even though you're being generous, make sure that you're going to put it on all sides. Now that we have it seasoned up and rubbed in, we're ready to head out to the grill. When you're on vacation, one of the things that happens is that you forget to bring something with you. We forgot to bring the tongs for putting the meat onto the grill. So today we're dealing with a couple of forks, and it's just the way it's going to be. We've already preheated the grill to 425, and I'm going to jump back a little bit here when I open it because it's hot. So now we're going to gather these boys up, and the first one goes on there. And the second one goes on there. Now, one of the secret sauces is the Montreal steak seasoning. I like to put just a little bit of it whenever I put anything on the grill, just to season a little extra. So now we close this up. Now that we've got it on the high heat area, we're going to flip it over in about 1 minute. When we do that, we'll season the other side just the same as we did this first side. Okay, it's time to flip it over. And again, we're going to season this side with a little of the Montreal seasoning. Not a lot. We'll give that about another minute. Now that that time is up, what we're going to do is move them down to the low heat and let them cook down here for just a few minutes. And we'll let this stay high heat here, low heat here. And that'll give us a nice convection heat. So in just a couple of minutes, we'll check in. Okay, I believe we're up to temperature. We always use a digital thermometer to make sure that we are. I don't care who you are, nobody can test and get it as close as a digital thermometer. We're right at temperature, we're right where we should be. Now we're going to take it off the grill into the plate. Turn everything off on the grill. Close her up. Now we're going to take her inside and we're going to put a foil tent over the top so they can continue to rest, where all the juices will go back into the meat and it'll be a nice juicy piece of meat. We're back here in the kitchen now. It's been resting for 10 minutes. Time to pull the tent off. Oh boy, look at that. Now we're going to pull one of these to the side. And we're going to cut a small piece off. Okay. As you can see, we're done completely. Doesn't get much better than that. Hi, and thanks for joining us on our vacation shoot. I'm Max from Two Guys Kitchen, and today we prepared a pork tenderloin. We've also got some sweet potato and some fresh green beans. All of it prepared on the grill right here on the lake. So until the next time, thanks so much for joining us.